Are you ready to take final step toward the Canadian PR and wondering how to book your passport submission appointment at VFS Global? Stay with me because in this video, I will walk you through the full step-by-step process so you can do it without any confusion. Hello everyone, welcome back on another video and you guys are watching Dhillon, Canada. Today we are diving into the detailed video of how to book passport submission appointment at VFS Global for PR application. I will explain everything you need to know in simple words. I have mentioned timestamps in the description down below. If you want to watch any specific topic, the viewers who are new here, please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications whenever I upload new videos. So without wasting any time, let's get started. When you receive the passport request letter from IRCC, this notice indicates your PR application is approved and you need to submit your passport. This letter is typically valid for 30 days. Key points to know: appointments are free of charge. Be aware of any third party asking for money. Slots are assigned on a first come, first served basis. Once booked, you cannot change or transfer the appointment details. Double check all the input before confirming. The letter used for booking cannot be reused for another request. If you miss your appointment, you are blocked from requesting another appointment for 3 calendar days. Let's go to my laptop screen to see how to book a passport submission appointment. Open up your browser and type in VFS Global. Scroll down for passport submissions, click on this web form. Appointment type, passport submission, scroll down, click on proceed. So guys, enter your India mobile number, enter the CAPTCHA, and then after that you will see one-time password. Once you enter the one-time password, click on validate it. So guys, from here I cannot show you because VFS Global does not allow me to upload older passport request letter. It has to be new and fresh. It is very simple and easy. Just open every tab, read and choose right options, enter your details like application number and personal details, and you will be able to book your appointment. It is very easy and I will leave the link in the description down below. After submitting the form, you will get a confirmation email containing your appointment date and time, location details, reference number for your appointment. On the day of your appointment, carry these documents with you: your original passport, the passport request letter, a printed copy of your appointment confirmation, payment for courier to receive your passport at home. If you choose in-person submission, VFS staff will review your documents, accept your passport, and give you a receipt containing a tracking number for monitoring the status. If you follow these steps, you can book your appointment easily without any confusion. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more updates. If you have any questions or topics you would like me to cover, leave a comment down below. Until next time, take care. Thank you.